Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to Bukola Naturals and DIYs channel. My name is Bukola. Today's video is a back to school hairstyle inspo video. I live in Italy and schools will reopen in September, but I know schools reopen in August in some countries. So guys, I already detangled her hair off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. Maybe one of these days I'm going to show you a video on how to make a detangling conditioner and how to properly detangle your kids' hair. So my first daughter doesn't really love making her hair. She has a sensitive scalp and I usually take my time to detangle her hair. So I'm gonna start her hair by sectioning it. I prefer sectioning her hair before I begin braiding her hair or before I even begin the hairstyle. This will help reduce hair tangle and just do this gently and make sure the hair is well moisturized when doing this. And guys, when making children's hair, make simple hairstyles for them. Don't make styles that are too long, and because I get bored easily, and you know how kids are. So I'm just going to section her hair before I begin the hairstyle.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
So now I'm done sectioning the hair. What I'm gonna do now is to start by making single braids. I'm going to put the hair in sections again, but before that I'm going to moisturize her hair with leave-in conditioner that I make my own hair products. So I'm going to make sure her hair is well moisturized, and I'm going to massage her scalp while doing that because it helps in making the hair softer, and it helps in also detangling the hair. And for our hair, I'll also be using this hair styling pomade I made myself. I already showed a video on how to make this hair styling pomade. You can check it in one of my old videos, and I'm going to leave a link as well. I'm going to leave a link and I'm going to leave a card right here. So after doing that, I'm going to section the hair, take rubber bands to grip the roots of the hair. Okay, so guys, I would advise you to use more than one rubber band for each braid. I've not been so lucky with rubber bands. If you know any site I can get good quality rubber bands, just let me know in the comment section, okay? Because mine just keep breaking. So I'm going to start from the back up to the front. Okay, this style is very simple, very easy. Just keep watching, okay?
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
So guys, the reason I'm twisting the tip of the hair is just to help, it's just to make unraveling the hair so easy for me. So when I'm gonna unravel these braids, it's just gonna be easy, with twist. So that's why I prefer twisting the tip of the hair. Okay,
here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go.
So guys, we've come to the end of the video. As you can see, look at the hairstyle, it's so beautiful. She loves it, even though she doesn't love making her hair, but after making her hair she always goes to the mirror to look at herself and she loves it. So this is it guys. This hairstyle is very easy to make. You can try it out as well. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Ciao, ciao.